In this video, we're going to discuss benefits, uses, product compatibility, setup, cleanup, maintenance, accessories, and replacement parts for the BTM sprayer. The BTM sprayer was designed to reduce labor by putting up to two products in the hands of one technician. The system maintains pressure to eliminate the wasted time and effort of non-powered systems. Its low pressure ensures a safe environment free from chemical blowback. Its setup takes place outside of the workspace to maximize labor efficiency and organization. Multiple tip sizes and nozzle configurations allow for complete control of sprayer patterns in both open and confined spaces. Originally, the BTM sprayer was designed as part of the React-Extract system featuring OxyPrep and OxyPar. The efficiency of this remediation protocol stems from the thoughtful coordination of the two products where both aesthetics are achieved along with complete soil load removal as a result of chemical neutralization. Similar systems thinking and planning can go into the use of other Enviroguard products. Whether used with one product or two, you can station both the BTM sprayer and chemicals outside the workspace. Compatible Enviroguard products include OxyPrep, OxyPar LR, Botanical, Knockdown, Grease Gobbler, OxyPar LC, OxyPar DC, Fortify, EnviroSeal, X4, and all liquid chlorine dioxide preparations. Your BTM sprayer includes the BTM sprayer pump and compressor assembly, 100 feet of dual braided hose, and a twin trigger BTM gun and wand assembly. To assemble the BTM sprayer, thread the red and blue lines of the dual braided hose to the corresponding red and blue outlets located on the exterior of the gray pump housing. Tighten until secure with a wrench, taking care not to over-tighten. Attach the twin trigger BTM gun to the dual braided hose and hand tighten the retaining nut until secure. Attach the twin wand to the trigger base and hand tighten the retaining nut until secure. Your BTM sprayer is now ready for use. Select your nozzles and tips based upon the Enviroguard products being used, the production protocol being executed, and the surface being applied. Next, select your wand length based upon the space where the work is being performed. A short wand is generally used in confined areas like crawl spaces and small attics, where height is the primary restriction, whereas the long wand is generally used in both open spaces like structural framing and attics, where reach is essential, as well as inaccessible spaces where physically getting to surfaces is near impossible. Plug your BTM sprayer into any 110 outlet. Make sure the sprayer is located in a space that's not in the way of your production. For example, if you're working in a crawl space, station your sprayer outside the crawl space entrance along with your chemicals and other equipment. Be sure that the space being cleaned or sealed is free and clear of obstructions and that you've chosen the most efficient path of application for the job and that the technicians responsible for executing the protocol are trained. For more information on training, go to EnviroguardDirect.com and click on Training. To start, set your BTM sprayer at 50 psi. This can be adjusted up or down, but we found that 50 psi prevents against product blowback while maximizing spray pattern and consistency. Additionally, maintaining 50 psi helps ensure longevity for your BTM sprayer. Do not exceed 75 psi. Feed the corresponding draw tubes into the selected Enviroguard products. When we run the React-Extract system, we train technicians to use the red line with OxyPrep and the blue line with OxyPar LR. A similar standard could be used with other Enviroguard products. Open the air valve on the BTM sprayer so that the valve runs parallel to the air line. Since there may be water in the line from a previous job, test by depressing both the red and blue buttons together until the water has been cycled out of the system. Now the system is ready for use. For specific use instructions, refer to corresponding Enviroguard product training videos. For the React-Extract protocol using OxyPrep and OxyPar LR, run 2 to 3 gallons of clear water through the blue line first and capture the dilute OxyPar LR solution into a 5-gallon pail. Then run the captured OxyPar LR solution through the red line to neutralize any remaining OxyPrep. Complete the red line rinse with an additional 2 to 3 gallons of clear water. For all other BTM compatible products excluding OxyPrep, run 2 to 3 gallons of clear water through the lines, depressing both the red and blue buttons together until the chemicals have cycled out of the system. Turn the power off to the unit and turn off the air valve. Depress both the red and blue buttons until the lines are depressurized. Draining the condensate from the air compressor after each day of use is very important to the longevity of the sprayer's diaphragm pumps. The stainless steel wands are available in both 11-inch and 26-inch lengths and can be rapidly switched out of the twin trigger gun. A short 11-inch wand is generally recommended for confined areas like crawl spaces and small attics where height is the primary restriction, whereas the 26-inch wand is generally recommended in both open spaces like structural framing and attics where reach is essential, as well as in inaccessible spaces where physically getting to surfaces is near impossible. The twin trigger gun is replaceable without the need to replace the stainless steel wands. Replacement nozzles are available in straight, 45-degree, and 90-degree varieties. The nozzles attach directly to the stainless steel wand. 2 nozzles are required to complete the BTM twin trigger gun. Replacement tips are available in 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, 0.8, and 1 gallon per minute sizes. Tips determine the spray pattern and flow rate of the BTM sprayer. Tips should be chosen based on the Enviroguard products being used, the production protocol being executed, and the surfaces being applied. 2 tips of either the same size or differing sizes are needed to complete the BTM twin trigger gun. For tip solution in cool confined areas such as crawl spaces, select a 0.3 gallon per minute tip for OxyPrep and a 0.1 gallon per minute tip for OxyPar LR. For tip selection in hot areas such as attics where evaporation is a consideration, select either a 0.8 or a 1 gallon per minute tip for OxyPrep and a 0.3 gallon per minute tip for OxyPar LR. For troubleshooting, refer to the inside panel of the gray pump housing. For support or replacement parts, visit EnviroGuardDirect.com or call us at 828-548-3900.